What you just tuned into is the rip and tear process of the '03 Chevy Tahoe 5.3 engine that I'm putting in my 1990 Chevy Caprice Classic.
Operation Teardown going real smooth. Ended up selling the hood and rear bumper. Took off the fenders yesterday. Getting this radiator support off now. Everything already bolted off. So it's down there ready to just lift up and come right out. It's gonna make it way easier for whoever pulled the engine. I'm thinking about doing it myself. But once that's out the way, I can just lift and slide that motherfucker gonna come right out. It's nothing but a 5.3. It should be enough for what I'm about to put it in. Upgrade for the Caprice.
Yeah, that should be enough, because you know I ain't out here trying to be dunk master in this crew and all that.
Now that I got my engine stand, I'm all in the dough with a nappy ass fro, man. I might pull this motherfucker this Saturday. This motherfucker might be coming out this Saturday. No, I ain't about to lift this motherfucker right here. Now, roll this bitch right there. Pull that motherfucker. I had to go get a pallet and a power jack. Put it down there so I can roll this bitch up the ramp.
I said ramp, I mean the slope of my driveway. But you gonna see later that that didn't work.
This motherfucker might come out Saturday. You see, I'm already damn near done. All I gotta do is take off the cross member, drive shaft, and the motor mount. And this motherfucker coming right the fuck out. To get put in that motherfucker right there.
As you can see my setup I was gonna put the engine on top of the tire and drag it up that slope.
I ain't never pulled an engine in my life. Today is the first day I pulled the engine for the first time. Just let all the transmission fluid drain in the bucket.
I know what you're thinking. I
Ready
should
to
have
come the
did that
fuck out,
before,
man.
but I was just trying to hurry up and get the engine out. I had this whole total
I need 2 hands for this.
T-bone. Whole front end was already off. I had to get it up out of there.
Reggie. I gotta clear this motherfucking motor mount. Or this, motor mount bracket. I'm all in the dough.
Come on, get it. Get it. Come on, Taylor. Get it. Get it. Get it.
I'm gonna have to pat myself on my goddamn back, man. Good job, Taylor. You're gonna pull the engine and transmission out for the first time, man. Proud of you. Hope the city don't be mad. City gonna be mad at me, nigga.
I actually found some good stuff at Home Depot and Lowe's.
Anybody need some Tahoe parts?
Oil and stuff off the concrete. Very
I
good.
don't need these. The whole exhaust on this motherfucker. Cadillac converters.
About that.
Dual piped out the back. I don't think I need nothing else off of this bitch.
I'm pretty sure by the time y'all see this video, the Tahoe and the parts will be gone.
It's out. It's about to clean this bitch up. Make sure it's that 4L60. I think that's the 4. Yeah, it's a 4L60. I think the 4L80. These motherfuckers is together. Make sure these motherfuckers holding. Oh, this motherfucker bending. I need to put this shit down. Oh, yeah, them fake ass washers in there good. These ones did good though. Get this bitch on a. Ooh, I'm gonna get this bitch on a pallet, bro. Shit. I'm afraid if I lift them legs up, the motherfucker gonna fall forward. I could probably swoop that pallet up in between here. I think I got enough room. I'll go ahead and do this. I pulled it by myself. It took about 3-4 hours. But trying to get it up in the driveway, up that slope in the garage, I don't know who I thought I was. I thought I was Incredible Hulk, that I was going to use that power jack and roll it up that shit by myself. This how I got it in, though. Well, got it in the garage. Nigga. It was an all-day thing. Yeah, you heard me. It was an all-day thing. Took about 3-4 hours to get the engine out. But trying to get it back into the garage, I want to say it took about 4-5 hours. I ended up stuffing it in back of a '05 two-door hatchback Honda Accent. Need a wire harness. Got the motherfucking harness off. Engine harness off. I guess I'm gonna try to get this fan off. Take these coils off. And probably start with the intake. Oils. Fuck. It ain't that bad. Just wipe off. Look at that. Bring it back. Bring it. Busting this bitch down, man. That motherfucker damn near just a block. All I gotta take off. I'm in the mix, I mix it right. I pop with this, I'm up all night. I got whatever you need. Now I probably won't do too much inner wise with the engine. Probably just get a cam and springs. That's probably about it. I got a new oil pump, high pressure one. Cause heard these is known to go out. Got a stock one in there now, so that's probably 8 in there. Clean as a bitch in there. No, this engine was taken care of, man. Oh yeah. Engine and transmission only had 108,000 miles on it. Dude was donoring the car off, so I bought it straight from him. I T-boned in it. Got these coming in the mail. Springs.
threw a coat of primer on it. This is a went with one coat of primer all around.
Day two. I ended up painting that shit last night. This is the first coat of black. This is a this is a
This was a gloss black. I ended up didn't use it because it was too glossy for me, so I ended up respraying it a satin black from VHT was a brand of the paint that I used. Primer and base coat.
first stage of primer.
Went a coat of primer on the heads.
Hit the bolts up, cast iron.
They're actually aluminum iron. I
Second
did
coat,
go
cast
cast
iron.
iron, but I didn't like how they looked, so I ended up going with
Powder coat.
aluminum iron or
Got both
aluminum
these covered.
cast.
These don't
Think
need to get hit again.
iron.
Might hit them one more last time though, when they dry. Let this dry and I'm hitting these. Final stage of paint.
On the transmission right there, that's the satin black. The heads, I ended up spraying those aluminum, cast iron. I left the gloss on the head, gloss black on the head, ran out of satin. And the tail, I ended up spraying it that aluminum, uh,
I need another one.
cast iron. I say this is way later, probably a couple of months out, probably 4 or 5 months later.